So, let's talk about Lodgify, a platform designed specifically for vacation rental owners and property managers. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to keep track of bookings, calendars, and guest messages across multiple platforms, Lodgify is built to simplify that chaos. In this guide, we'll start with a detailed review of Lodgify, its features, pricing, strengths, and weaknesses, so you know exactly what it offers. Then we'll walk step by step through how to sign up and create your account. And finally, I'll show you how to navigate the platform as a beginner, so you feel comfortable moving around the dashboard, setting up your first property, and making the most of Lodgify from day one. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of not just what Lodgify is, but also how to get started with it, and whether it's the right tool to grow your rental business. So please watch the video up to the end. If you will find this video helpful, I will request your support by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. All right, now let's start with the review. At its core, Lodgify is all about helping you take control of your rental business. It gives you the tools to build your own direct booking website, so you're not completely dependent on sites like Airbnb or Booking.com. That means you can cut down on commissions and own your brand. On top of that, it acts as a full property management system, bringing together reservations, calendars, payments, and even guest messaging into one single dashboard. Now, what really stands out with Lodgify are its key features. You get a drag-and-drop website builder with templates, so even if you're not tech-savvy, you can create a professional site with a built-in booking engine. There's also a powerful channel manager that syncs your listings across Airbnb, VRBO, Booking.com, and others to avoid double bookings. The unified inbox makes guest communication smoother, and you can set up automated messages for check-ins, reminders, or thank yous. On top of that, Lodgify has its own dynamic pricing tool to help you maximize revenue, and reporting tools for tracking revenue and creating owner statements. Of course, price matters. Lodgify offers several plans. The starter plan, which is the cheapest but includes a booking fee. The professional plan, which costs more but eliminates that booking fee and adds more features. And the ultimate plan, which gives you priority support and the full suite of tools. You can pay monthly or annually, with discounts if you choose the longer term. And there's even a 7-day free trial to test it out. So what do people think about Lodgify? On the positive side, users love how easy it is to use, especially if you're new to rental management. The website builder is a big hit because it helps you capture direct bookings. The channel manager also gets good feedback for keeping everything synced and preventing double bookings. And many hosts highlight the free onboarding and helpful support team when first getting started. But like any software, it has its drawbacks. Some users report that the mobile app can be buggy, logging them out frequently, or lagging on updates. The inbox isn't perfect either. It can be tricky to filter messages or see which property they belong to. Others mention occasional syncing glitches with booking platforms, which can cause frustration. For small hosts, the cost can feel high, especially once you move beyond the starter plan. And while Lodgify offers solid tools, some advanced features like detailed cleaning schedules or highly customized workflows are still limited. Lodgify is best for those who want an all-in-one solution without having to juggle multiple apps. But if you're running a very large operation with complex staff management, or if cost is your biggest concern, you might find some limitations. Now, let's get you started with Lodgify. First, open your browser and go to lodgify.com. Right there on the home page, you'll see a button that says Start Free Trial. Click it, and you'll be asked to create your account. Type in your name, your email address, create a password, and confirm how many properties you're planning to manage. Once you've filled that in, hit Submit. Lodgify will send a quick verification email. Open your inbox, click the confirmation link, and your account is live. When you log in for the very first time, you'll land on the Lodgify dashboard. This is your control center, the place where you'll be able to see everything happening in your rental business. Here's how to get your bearings. At the top, you'll see the main navigation menu. This is where you'll find tabs for your calendar, reservations, properties, website, and settings. Think of it as the main map that guides you through the platform. Start with the calendar view. This gives you a bird's eye look at all your properties, their bookings, and availability. You can add a new reservation directly from here or block off dates if you need to. Next, explore the Reservations tab. Here you'll see all your bookings, whether they came from Airbnb, Booking.com, or your own Lodgify website. Each booking record includes guest details, payment status, and notes. And you can even message your guests directly from within the platform. Speaking of communication, the inbox is where all guest messages flow in. If you're connected to channels like Airbnb or VRBO, Lodgify pulls messages straight into this unified inbox, so you don't have to jump between apps. You can reply here or set up automated responses for things like check-in instructions. Now, let's check out the Properties section. This is where you add and edit all the details about your rentals, from the address and descriptions to photos, amenities, and pricing. If you're connected to multiple platforms, Lodgify will sync these details across them, saving you from updating each listing separately. The next stop is the Website tab. This is where you can build your own direct booking site using Lodgify's templates. It's all drag and drop, so you don't need coding skills. You can customize your colors, upload your logo, and activate the booking widget so guests can book directly with you. Don't forget the Settings area. Here you'll connect your channels like Airbnb, VRBO, and Booking.com, set up payment methods, configure automated messages, and manage team members if you work with cleaners or co-hosts. As a beginner, the best way to get comfortable is to go step by step. First set up one property, then connect a booking channel, and finally test the direct booking website. Once you've got those basics down, you can explore extras like dynamic pricing and automated workflows. And that's it, your first tour of Lodgify. From sign up to navigating the dashboard, you now know exactly where to start and how to move around the platform with confidence. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. I will be bringing you more insights on various productivity tools. This is a Minute with AI. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section. Until next time, it's bye for now.